Taking it live from Rome, Italy.
Io sono uno di quelli da sabato del villaggio, preferisco gustarmi fresche quando arriva, perché quando arriva poi dopo arriva la domenica e poi sono abbastanza una mesata ma neanche.
Il giorno che è tornata a presentarsi alla stazione alla sera, che erano alle 9, perché era
show you guys the room we got in Rome. We have moved rooms and checking another place. So this is the next spot in Rome. Pretty cool, right downtown, right central, studio apartment. Really cool, actually. I really like this place. It's we stayed at a 5-star hotel last night, and it was cool. It was beautiful. They had a laundry service that was great. But honestly, if I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, I would prefer something that has more character and shows, you know, shows the city, shows the character and the, you know, local spirit, how the people actually live here. And this is it right here. This is a studio apartment, basically. Got your little kitchenette area here and bathroom here, master bedroom here. It's you can see it's like a just really old and authentic building, as almost everything here is in Rome, just put together in a just kind of a really cool way. And kind of the basically the I guess I'd say the feature of the place is this little lounge area, backyard, where you can see a little piece of sky and a lot of character. So just kind of trying to show you guys, keep you guys, you know, every few days I make a video to try and update you guys, let you know what's going on. Try to do a video every few days. If you've got any more questions, you know, if you want to know more, questions and comments below. If you like it, comment and share, and I'll keep them coming. If you don't like it, let me know, and I won't make any more videos like this. But just, yeah, let me know, and hope you guys like the villa. I like it. It's one of my favorites, one of the coolest places I've been so far. Off to another country tomorrow. Bone out.